Assalamualaikum and a good day everyone. We are from Group 1 and this is our open-ended laboratory which is G4-1 core logging. First of all, rock descriptions are made on samples recovered from boreholes and excavations or from examination of the in-situ materials. The characteristics of a rock which play a major role in determining its engineering properties and need to be given due attention when describing the rock are the strength, weathering effects, and the discontinuities. The discontinuities are the most significant of these, and so particular attention is paid to this aspect. Geological classification of rock materials is necessary to appreciate the geological origin and structure of an area, to establish geological correlation between boreholes, and to distinguish boulders from bedrock. Our objective is to obtain physical description and RQD of rock cores recovered from borehole drilling.
Next, I will present about the theory of this experiment. First, rocks in the form of natural outcrops, cores, and excavated surface should normally be described in following manner. Material characteristic, including strength, structure, color, texture, grain size, and rock name. Next, general information, including additional information and minor constituents, geology information. Last but not least, mass characteristic. They are stats of weathering, discontinuities, and fracture stat. There are two formulas used in this experiment. First is the core recovery ratio, CR, while the second one is rock quality designation, RQD. The core recovery ratio, CR, can be calculated by using the formula length of core recovered divided by length of core run times with 100%, while the value of RQD can be obtained by using the formula length of core in pieces greater than 100 meter divided by length of core barrel times with 100%. After we get the value of RQD from calculation, we can know the quality of this rock mass by referring to the table. For example, if the RQD value of the rock mass is less than 25%, then the rock mass quality is very poor. But if the RQD value of rock mass is between 90 to 100, that means that this rock is excellent.
For this experiment, these are the apparatus that we need. First is box, the second one is the rock sample, and the third one is the measuring tape. First, lay out the rock sample into the box. Make sure the broken parts are placed as close as possible so the total length will be more accurate. Next, we need to measure the total length of rock core using measuring tape. Placed at the center of the sample. From this measurement, we observe that the total length will be 1,500 millimeters. We measure the rock recovery and the total length of each broken part, and we will get that the total length of broken part will be less than 1,500 millimeters due to the lost part and discontinuities of the sample. Lastly, we can calculate the core recovery and the rock quality design.